Hi friends, welcome to Decor Catalog. We as an interior and exterior design expert share with you modern trending and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with inspiring ideas and helpful tips on how you transform your living room into a beautiful and functional area. From cozy living rooms to stylish bedrooms and everything in between, we have got you covered. Our team of experts will guide you through the latest trends in interior design and showcase the best products and accessories to help you create a space that reflects your personal style. In this latest video, I'm gonna show you most trending modern wardrobe design ideas that will elevate your space and enhance your daily routine. From sleek and minimalist concepts to bold and vibrant creations, we showcase a range of innovative wardrobe designs that combine functionality with aesthetics. Discover clever storage solutions, customizable compartments, and trendy materials that add a touch of sophistication to any room. Join us on this visual journey and get inspired to revamp your wardrobe with these contemporary design ideas. When designing a modern wardrobe for a bedroom, there are several factors to consider to ensure functionality, aesthetics, and practicality. Here are some important things to keep in mind. Number 1. Space and size. Measure the available space in the bedroom where the wardrobe will be placed. Consider the height, width, and depth limitations to determine the appropriate size for the wardrobe. Additionally, take into account any other furniture or fixtures in the room to ensure a harmonious layout. Number 2. Storage needs. Assess your storage requirements. Consider the type of items you plan to store in the wardrobe, such as clothes, shoes, accessories, and other personal belongings. Determine the quantity and variety of storage compartments, shelves, drawers, hanging rods, and any specialized storage features you may need. Number 3. Organization and accessibility. Plan the interior layout of the wardrobe to optimize organization and accessibility. Consider incorporating adjustable shelves, drawers with dividers, hanging space for different garment lengths, and designated compartments for specific items. Ensure that frequently used items are easily reachable, while less frequently used items can be stored in less accessible area. Number 4. Style and design. Choose a modern wardrobe style and design that complements the overall aesthetics of your bedroom. Consider the material, finishes, colors, and hardware options that align with your personal taste and the existing decor. Sleek line, minimalist designs, and a combination of materials like wood, glass, or metal are commonly used in modern wardrobes. Number 5. Lighting. Adequate lighting is essential to enhance visibility inside the wardrobe. Incorporate built-in lights, motion sensor lights, or LED strips to illuminate the interior and make it easier to locate items. Additionally, consider the placement of the wardrobe in relation to natural light sources in the room to maximize brightness and create an open feel. Number 6. Customization and flexibility. Consider the flexibility of the wardrobe design. Option for modular systems that allow you to adjust the internal configuration as your storage needs change over the time. Customizable features like adjustable shelves, removable drawers, and interchangeable components can be beneficial in accommodating future requirements. Number 7. Door options. Decide on the type of doors that suits your space and usage preferences. Sliding doors are popular in modern wardrobe as they save space and provide a sleek look. Alternatively, hanging door can be chosen if you have sufficient room for their swing. Number 8. Ventilation. Adequate ventilation is important to prevent moisture build-up and maintain the freshness of your clothes. Incorporate ventilation features like small gaps at the top or bottom of the wardrobe, or use materials that allow air circulations. Number 9. Integration with technology. If desired, consider integrating technology into your wardrobe design. This can include features like built-in charging stations, built-in speakers for music playback, or small lighting systems that can be controlled remotely. Number 10. Budget. Finally, establish a budget for your wardrobe project and consider the cost implication of your design choices. Evaluate the balance between quality, functionality, and aesthetic to ensure that your wardrobe meets your requirement within your financial budgets. By keeping these factors in mind, you can create a modern wardrobe design that not only enhances the functionality and storage capacity of your bedroom but also complements the overall aesthetic of the space. I hope this video is according to your taste. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.